Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have your Wi-Fi password from your laptop. In this video I am using Samsung A12 phone. Also, my motto for making this video is that many Samsung A12 users are facing problem in how to connect their Wi-Fi or router to their phone and have forgotten their password. So for the first, you need to open your window and type in the type here to search box in the lower left side as control panel. Here it will show you like this. Click on it. Here click on network and internet option. After clicking, it will show you two options, internet options and network and sharing center. Click on network and sharing center. It will show you your Wi-Fi or router which you are currently connected to, as it is showing in mine. Press the blue letters beside connection. After pressing, you will see a number of options. Just click on wireless properties. On the top, beside connection, click on security options. Click on show characters option just here. And the password of your Wi-Fi or router will be displayed. Either you can note down the password or take a screenshot so that you don't forget it. Now let us go to our phone and see if we can connect it or not.